Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 932 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to be trying out my first ever Clarins Paris makeup product. So I got this in my August 2020 Boxycharm box, which I think might be my best Boxycharm box ever. I'll have my unboxing video of that linked in the description down below if you haven't seen it yet. But so this is the Velvet Lip Corrector, and I got this in the shade Velvet Red. It has a retail value of $26, and I just love lip products. I love a red lip, and this sounds so nice because it's a weightless mousse texture that delivers highly pigmented velvety finish with a soft blur effect. That blur effect sounds interesting. And it's formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter to leave lips feeling hydrated for hours. And whenever a lip product is supposed to be hydrating, that's what I want because my lips are so dry. I honestly might have burned my lip right here. So I have this dry patch right here on my lip, which is very uncomfortable and very annoying. So it'll be interesting to see if this lip product clings to where my lip is really dry. But to start out, I did already swatch this in my unboxing video, but I haven't actually tried it out on my lips yet. But it has a velvety applicator on top here, which I really like. I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch of this beautiful red shade. It looks like a deeper red, almost maroon. So I'm really intrigued to see how this is going to look on me. But it does have that moussey texture, which I love moussey products. So I'm really excited to see how this applies to my lips. I like this applicator, but especially for a red lip, it's hard to get precise, and you need precise lines on the lips when you're using a red lipstick. So maybe I would need to use a lip liner with this, but today we'll just do the best that I can. Oh wow, I can do a light amount and it kind of shears out and looks more like a lip stain type of formula because it has that matte finish. So that's cool that you could make it a much more subtle red by just applying a little bit. But I want to get more of a red color, so I'm going to go ahead and add some more. Yeah, that shade is buildable. But even with 2 layers on my lips, it's still not opaque. And it does show texture on my lips, so it is clinging to the dry patch, and even where my lips weren't as dry, like on my lower lip, it still adds a lot of dry texture. I'm gonna go ahead and add even more. Okay, so that's 3 layers on my lips, and that is even more red, and it's almost opaque now. And I do like this red shade. It's more of a blue toned red, and I actually feel like I was able to get a really good shape even with this applicator, but it is drying. It has that matte finish, which is not hydrating to my lips, not smoothing to the lips. It emphasizes any little bit of texture. So I'm bummed about that. It also doesn't feel very comfortable on my lips. It feels dry. And I liked the idea of this applicator, but now it's all messy looking as well. So all in all, I don't love it. $26 I feel like is not worth it for this product, just because, you know, I try out lots of inexpensive products on my channel that I think are a lot better than this one. But I would still be very interested in trying out other Clarins makeup products. So if you have any recommendations, let me know about them in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.